Oh wow. Basically just clean the outside of the carburetor. So we use carb cleaner, a lot of carb cleaner, and basically some air pressure, and we just cleaned out the outside just before we open everything up and do the whole job. And we got the gasket kit here. So there's like 4 packs in here. So it's for each carburetor you have 1 pack. This was on Amazon for like 30 bucks. So we're gonna rebuild this whole carburetor. Try to still figure out why that this one doesn't move, why this one doesn't move. So we'll figure it all out, open her up, and stay tuned for the next video.